How to factory reset all of the settings of your Windows computer in under a minute. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll quickly guide you how you can reset all of the factory settings of your Windows 11 PC. So for that, first launch your Windows settings, and once you are inside the settings, click on the system. Now within the system, you need to scroll down until you see this recovery option. Click onto this recovery option, and from here you can see different types of options. From here you can see this reset PC option. This will basically reset your PC. You can choose to or remove all of your personal files and reinstall Windows. Click onto this reset PC button, and from here you have two options. The first one is keep my files. This will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. And then you have remove everything, which will remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. Choose the one that suits you, and then it proceed with the same, and you will be done in no time. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.